Hello traders, this is Mac Billion. Today is November 19, 2016, and let's talk about the market. So the big question now is, Trump is the president, what's going to happen with the market? My answer to this question is, don't care who is the president, watch price and follow price. You have people from the left telling you that the market was going to crash, that it was the end of the world. Watch price. If you see the spider right here, you can see here is near 220, which is the resistance. It was resistant back in August, and you see the market trade right at that level, below that level for many days, but it couldn't break out. At this time it's different because if you remember in August, the ADX was below 20. At this time, ADX is about 20 and is really strong. And the directionals are right in a position that has a lot of room for a major breakout, possibly to 226, 230. I think this is a major move right here, and it's gonna break out soon because it's really strong. Now let's talk about another ones that I'm watching and I see. Let's talk about the Russell. The Russell right here also show you that if the market is very strong and price is trending right here, and it break out the 127, and it has a lot of volume. You see all this volume right here, and the directionals are right in a position that is gonna continue. We might get a pause right here to continue, so don't worry if you're alone right here, but I'm waiting for a pullback, a little pullback here to enter long in the iShares Russells. Now let's talk about Apple. So you can see Apple, this chart is all over the place. You have, it was trending down. You can see here it was making lower lows. Then it bounced and it was trending for a short time period. But it made a lower low. You see this low here? It's a lower low because it couldn't pass this area right here around 123. 120, 119, it stayed right there and it break down. So this chart is all over the place. I won't recommend it to trade Apple right here because it's not a good chart, and we use technical analysis to enter trades. Right here is bearish, however, it's all over the place. Again, ADX or DMI is bearish and strong. I think based on this chart, it probably is going to test the 100 area, probably, and retest the 91 or 92 level. But again, it's all over the place. I won't touch Apple right here. Now let's talk about Amazon. Amazon to me is bearish. I'm shorting Amazon, and let me tell you why. It bounced a little bit here because the market is strong. So that's the whole bounce. But I think it's a good moment here, right here, to enter short because I think it's going to go around 640, 630 at this support right here. And when it goes right there, we'll think about enter long if it bounce, but I think for a long term it's gonna break down and probably goes to the $400. So I don't like Amazon right here. I'm shorting Amazon. I think it's gonna go to the 400 area, probably let's say April, but I think end of the year probably is gonna test this area end of the year. So I'm shorting Amazon right here. Now let's talk about Facebook. Many people ask me about Facebook. Facebook right here break down this short-term trend right here. It break down. It looks like it wants to go up, but it's just because the market is just pausing right here. The directionals was both directions were overextended. I can show you here the overextended. You know, the plus direction was at the bottom, almost went to 1110. And the minus direction went to 42. That's why we having a pause right here, but don't think to go long in here. Facebook is also bearish like Amazon. I'm looking to see if it test this area right here around 123, 122 to see if we can get short, because right here it might continue. Or the other area you can get short if below 118, below 180, no, below, let me see 115. This is the area right here. Let me zoom this out. So below right here, I will get short right away if it goes below 115, and the target will be 104. But it's just moving sideways right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 days moving sideways. It tests the 21 double exponential moving average, but I think it's gonna go down from here and it's gonna test again the 115, which is the number, the key number. But overall, is bearish. Facebook is bearish, but again, the market is bullish, so you you have to go when the market is bullish. You have to go with the stocks that are bullish, not with the stocks that are bearish, because the whole market might stop. That stop that is bearish might stop the trend and then just move sideways until the market correct again, and then it goes with the market. So I prefer to wait right here below 115, or we'll see if it tests 122, 123. Now let's talk about another one. Let's talk about silver. So you can see right here is it's a very easy chart. It break down this trend, test this trend. Now it's trending down. I think it's gonna go to $13. I will prefer to enter when it bounce a little bit. You see, when something is trending down, it usually goes down, bounce, down, bounce, down, bounce, down. So I need a bounce right here to go short. Because if you enter right here short, especially because we trade auctions, it might bounce and you're gonna be in pain. So it's preferably to wait for a bounce and enter short. So BMI is bearish and it's trending. The ADS is trending and it's about 20. So it's a really, really strong bear. And I think it's gonna go to 13 long term. So if you buy auctions that expire in 30 days, you might prefer to for a bounce. But if you buy them 60 or 90 days, then you can enter right here and just wait. Just wait until it goes to $13 and cash out. Now let's talk about another one. Let's talk about oil. For oil, we're gonna use APA. APA is Apache Corporation, and you can see here it's trending inside this trend, this channel, and you can see here the top is around 69, 70. That's a good place to go short, but I think is neutral bullish. It's not bearish, but it's neutral bullish. I think it's gonna go to $70 and probably go down again. So right here is in the middle. I don't want to enter right here in the middle of this channel. I prefer to enter on the top short or at the bottom long. Always do that. So it's a good one to keep it on your watch list. So when it goes to the top of the channel, you go short. Or if it goes to the bottom of the channel, you go long and use the same support for a stop loss. So let me see if I have another one. I have Netflix. Let's talk about Netflix. This is the last one. Look at this trend support. This is a trend support right here. It failed at 26. This is the third time it failed at 126, 127 Fibonacci. It fell back in August, then in December 2015 it failed, and now it fell again. And I think it's gonna go down and correct right here around 95 or 100, and that's a good place to enter long. So let's see what happens. It's in the middle. You see it's in the middle. It's not at the top. It's not at the bottom. It's just in the middle. So it's a good one to keep it on your watch list. Directionals are the minus directional is trending down along with the plus directional, which is not good. You want something that is trending. When the plus directional is trending down and the minus directional is trending up, that's a position you want to go short when they are in divergence. When they trend into the same place, not good. It's neutral. So it's a good one to keep it on your watch list. So overall, doesn't care who won the presidency. Of course, we're very happy that Donald Trump won the presidency, but watch price, and that's just gonna tell you where the market goes. This is everything for today. Trade on.